boxes of ammo in. They had to break this order up. It was a lot of different, coming from a lot of different warehouses. So we got the 6.8 right here. I'll open them all up in the end. 6.8. Then we got some 17 mock. Some little bitty rounds. They kind of look like 22 shorts. 2 of those. That's another 6.8 right here. Yeah, another 6.8. This should be some more Lapua. 338. All right, here. All right, 8.6 blackout right here. Subsonic, and supers. This was kind of expensive right here, that blackout. That's the only problem. The downside of switching, you know, getting different calibers. And certain calibers is up there. So it is what it is on that. 338 arc. What is these? Hollow points. 175 hollow point. 2 of those. Some more 17 mock. CCI. Some 4.6. Then some more 6.8. This might be it, but I'm gonna have to double check because I ordered a lot of different stuff. So I'll break these down. I just want to see the 6.8. Already seen the blackout, seen the 4.6. I want to see what the hollow point look like on here. And I want to see the 6.8. I'll just do the 6.8 that's open real quick. So here's the 6.8. Look like a 223, it's just a little fatter. We'll do it side by side with all of that other stuff. And the only one I want to see is, well, we can see what these look like. We'll do it side by side next to 22 and 17 HMR, but I'll do that later. I want to see this, but I really don't feel like opening that. Let me keep this open. The 338 arc look like, the hollow point. So we got that one. We already pretty much seen everything else. We've seen the 6.8. We can see that through there. The 17. And we already did the full metal jackets. I need to probably get a lot of that because I really like shooting that gun. So I'm gonna get that one up there. Like how for 5.7. 5.7 I probably got a few thousand. So that's the same as that. I think these is all the newer guns that I got. I'll be shooting at the range soon. The first mag of all this real soon.
I see your motivation, I see your movement is in effect. And I fucking love that shit. Let's get it.